What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Again by Cyrus and XXXTENTACION. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, as well as the notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar, along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play this song. Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning and it only uses a few different chords that essentially repeat throughout the entire song. As always, if you need the guitar chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Starting off with the structure for this song, you have a quick intro and then you have a verse. You have 2 verses in the song that are the exact same. You have 2 choruses in the song that are the exact same. And then you have 2 post-choruses in the song. The second one is twice as long as the first one, and then you have a quick outro for the song. Now we will just break it down piece by piece, starting with your intro. Chords you need for the intro are going to be F major. It's going to be 1, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1. Bar the entire first fret with your index finger. Your ring finger is going to be on the 3rd fret of the A string. Your pinky finger is on the 3rd fret of the D string, and your middle finger is on the 2nd fret of the G string. And you also need A minor, which is 0, 0, 2, 2, 1, 0. Middle finger, 2nd fret, D string. Ring finger, 2nd fret, G string. Index finger, 1st fret, B string. Now the intro is very quick. You're just alternating between these 2 chords twice, and your strumming pattern is down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And then it jumps into the first verse. So again, it looks like. Now the verses just piggyback off of that intro. You do alternate between F and A just like that 3 times until you go to a D minor chord, which is 0, 0, 0, 2, 3, 1. Middle finger on the 2nd fret of the G, ring finger 3rd fret on the B, and your index finger on the 1st fret of the high E. Then you also need a C chord, which is 0, 3, 2, 0, 1, 0, ring finger 3rd fret A string, middle finger 2nd fret D string, index finger 1st fret B string. And then it finally goes back to that F major chord. So altogether, with the strumming pattern, your verses look like down, down, up, down, up, 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 down, down, up, down, up. And then here it changes up a little bit. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So down, down, up. So again, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. And that entire thing plays through twice for both verse 1 and verse 2. So now we'll jump into the chord progression for your choruses. Again, both choruses are identical, starting off on an F major. Then you're going to go to an E minor, which is 0, 2, 2, 0, 0, 0. Middle finger on the 2nd fret of the A string, ring finger on the 2nd fret of the D string. And then you go to your A minor. Then it goes back to F. And then to C. And then that same down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. that you did in the verses. So all together, your chorus chord progression looks like down, down, up, down, up, 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 down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, 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 down, down, up, down, down, up, down. And then it jumps into the post-chorus. Now the chord progression for your post-chorus, the first post-chorus is half as long as the second chorus, so keep that in mind. I'm going to show you the first post-chorus, and then you'll just double exactly what I'm showing you here for the post-chorus after your second chorus. The chord progression is going to be F, A minor, C, D minor, F, A minor, and then that same D minor, C, F that we've been doing in the verses and the chorus. And again, your strumming pattern is staying the exact same. Down, down, up, down, up, 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 down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Now the final post-chorus does jump into an outro, which is very easy. Again, it's just F, A minor, and then it ends on that D minor, C, F. So what I'll do here is I'm going to play through the final post-chorus, the entire thing, and then I'll play through the very end that includes the outro. So it looks like... There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Now, the way the giveaways are going to work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is going to receive a guitar accessories kit that has a capo, a guitar strap, guitar strings, all the accessories in there that you need as a beginner guitarist. And the second winner is going to win a free t-shirt from my Billy Schultz Music merch site. Then once the channel hits 100,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you lucky winners to win a free brand new acoustic guitar. All you have to do to enter the giveaways is subscribe to the channel, leave a thumbs up on this video, turn on notifications for the channel, and leave a comment down below with a song that you want me to teach you on guitar. I'm very excited to be able to do these giveaways. I just gave away a guitar at 50,000 subscribers, and that happened a lot quicker than I thought, but it's all thanks to you guys. These giveaways are just my way of trying to give back and show my appreciation for all the love and the support that you guys have shown me and the channel. So again, thank you guys so much. Subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below for a song that you want to learn on the guitar, and we will see you guys in the next video.